If your pool heater gas valve is stuck open or closed, you gotta know how to handle it fast to keep your pool warm and safe. Alright, so first off, if the gas valve is stuck open, that means gas keeps flowing, and that can be super dangerous, right? So the best move is to turn off the gas supply immediately to stop any leaks. Next, check if dirt or debris is jamming the valve. Sometimes a little cleaning can fix it. If it's stuck closed, your heater won't get any gas, so your pool stays cold. No fun at all. Try gently tapping the valve to loosen it up or cycling it open and closed a few times. If it still won't budge, you'll need to replace the valve completely. Always make sure to shut off power and gas before messing with the valve to avoid accidents. And hey, if you're not comfy doing this yourself, call a pro because safety first, you know? Keeping your pool heater's gas valve in good shape means chill swims and zero stress. One of the biggest issues with pool heater gas valves is improper maintenance, which leads to stuck valves from grime buildup. Just clean it regularly to prevent this. Another common mistake is ignoring warning signs like unusual smells or noises. If you notice these, check the valve right away to avoid bigger problems. Lastly, trying to force the valve open or closed without turning off the gas can cause damage or even dangerous leaks. Always shut off the gas first and use gentle pressure or replace the valve if needed. BigHomeProjects.com makes it way easier for homeowners to find trusted local contractors who know exactly how to fix pool heaters safely and fast. Plus, it helps contractors connect with people who need their skills, making sure everyone gets the job done right without the usual hassle.